Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best portable electric burners on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Imusa GAU 80305 electric single burner. When cost is key, this small burner may be all you need. Its low price, simple design, and compact frame make it ideal for regular office lunches or late-night dorm snacks, but it can be fired up for a quick everyday meal in a pinch. The portable unit includes all of the basics: a coil burner, drip tray, and power light. The temperature knob turns on the burner and then shows 3 levels: low, medium, and high, but you can adjust the heat anywhere within those ranges. It has a surprising amount of power for its size, too, up to 1,100 watts. Still, it's not designed for long, slow cooking. Imusa recommends using it for no more than 60 minutes over a 2-hour period, and the burner shuts off when overheated. Surface type, coil, dimensions: 9.45 into 9.06 into 3.54 inches, max power level, 1,100 watts, number of burners, 1, burner diameter, 5.5 inches, load capacity, 10 pounds. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ovente electric infrared burner. Like a ceramic stovetop, this infrared burner uses radiant coils to heat food quickly with minimal energy. Unlike an induction burner, which requires cookware that can react to its electromagnetic field, radiant heat works under any pan type. Ovente still recommends using pans with a flat base close to the burner's 7.5-inch diameter. The device's glass surface holds all the heat and, as a bonus, simply wipes clean. The 1000-watt burner has 6 temperature settings and a 0-off position. Even at the highest setting, the infrared technology focuses the heat to the cooking surface, which helps keep the base cooler. With this style of burner, the heating element cycles on and off during use. Surface type, ceramic glass infrared, dimensions: 12.2 into 11.4 into 3.7 inches, max power level, 1000 watts, number of burners, 1, burner diameter, 7.5 inches, load capacity, 11 pounds. Number 3. Our third best pick is CUSIMAX electric hot plate for cooking. CUSIMAX's hot plate pumps extra wattage into its cast iron burner, letting you choose from 7 settings that hold your desired temperature. Its 2 knobs turn the burner on and off and control the heat. They're mounted on a black stainless steel housing. The exterior's smooth surface and flat cast iron burner are both easy to clean, but the black finish may get spotty. Although the burner size is listed as 7.4 inches, CUSIMAX recommends using pans with a 7.1-inch base or smaller, limiting your range of cookware options. Our home tester liked the heat performance of this unit but was concerned that the body and control knobs grew hot with high temperature cooking. Although a safety feature turns the burner off if it overheats, that only applies to the burner, not the housing. Surface type, cast iron, dimensions: 11.3 into 9 into 3.5 inches, max power level, 1,500 watts, number of burners, 1, burner diameter, 7.4 inches, load capacity, 6 pounds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Cuisinart cast iron single burner. Cuisinart's portable burner is simple to operate, yet works well for a range of uses from family meals to a buffet spread. Its single knob turns on and controls the unit via 6 temperature settings. Like a waffle maker, lights tell you when the burner is on and ready to use. The cast iron burner element efficiently spreads heat along the pan's bottom and continues to keep food warm once you shut it off, as our tester found. She used this to simmer, boil, and slow cook for every meal. It worked amazingly well for melting butter in a pan and for browning chicken. Through all of her tests, the burner's temperature remained consistent and stable, so there were no hot or cold spots. Even when she used a frying pan larger than the 7.5-inch burner, the heat spread to the edges of the pan and cooked everything thoroughly. When you're all done, the flat burner and low-profile body easily wipe clean. Surface type, cast iron, dimensions: 11.5 into 11 into 2.5 inches, max power level, 1300 watts, number of burners, 1, burner diameter, 7.5 inches, load capacity, 8 to 9 pounds. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is BLACK+DECKER DB1002B Double Burner Portable Buffet Range. When you pull out a standalone burner for a family reunion or full-size stove breakdown, chances are you could use two elements. For less money than many single burner units, you can cook on high heat over this unit's 1000-watt burner and cook delicate ingredients or keep a dish warm over its 500-watt burner. Each burner has a knob with 8 temperature options, including minimum heat and a slightly higher warm setting. What they lack is an off setting. To completely turn off the burners, you have to unplug the device. Despite its size, this device only weighs around 3 pounds and moves easily. BLACK+DECKER says that as long as the pot is not bigger than the burner's diameter, the weight of the pot doesn't matter. Cleaning the coils can be a finicky process, though. BLACK+DECKER recommends wiping the base and burners with a damp cloth once the unit has cooled and warns against submerging it or using abrasive cleaners. Surface type, coil, dimensions, 20.16 into 11.14 into 3.54 inches, max power level, 501,000 watts, number of burners, 2, burner diameter, 5.25 inches, load capacity, unlimited. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.